Hello guys, in this lecture we will learn about organization and team structures. Contents: team, becoming a team, organization and team structures, dispersed and virtual teams, leadership. What is team? By team we usually mean group of people who are working together in the same space at the same location. The term project team is used to refer all the people working on a common project who may sit in different work groups at some distance from each other. Becoming a team. Just throwing people together will not immediately enable them to work together as a team. Teams go through 5 basic stages of development: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Forming. Members of a group get to know each other and try to set up some ground rules about behavior. Storming. Conflict arises as various members of the group try to exert leadership. Norming. Conflicts are largely settled and a feeling of group identity emerges. Performing. The emphasis is now on the task at hand. Adjourning. The group disbands. Next. Next is organization and team structure. Large software development companies are usually organized into departments. Each department usually handles several projects at any time, and each project is assigned to a separate team of developers. Working of any organization is significantly affected by its department structure and team structure. Department structure and team structure. What is department structure? How a department is organized into team. Two ways are functional format, project format. Team structure. How individual teams are structured. Two ways are chief programmer team, democratic team. Functional format. Developers are divided into functional groups based on their specialization or experience. For example, different functional groups of an organization might specialize in areas such as database, networking, requirement analysis, design, testing, and so on. Every developer in an organization will belong to some functional group depending on his expertise. For carrying out specific activities, different projects borrow developers from different functional groups. Functional format. Upon the completion of the activities, the developers are returned to their respective functional groups. The partially completed product passes from one team to another and evolves due to the work done on it many several teams. A functional team working on a project does not physically meet the members of other functional teams who have carried out other parts of the project. A team understands the work done by other teams solely by studying the documents produced by them. Teams working subsequently on the project will find it difficult to understand the work already completed if good quality documents are not produced. Next are project format. In the project format, a set of developers are assigned to a project at its start. It is assumed that the assigned members can carry out various activities required for project completion. The developers remain with the project till the completion of project, thus the same team carries out all the project activities. Next, activity. Despite of several important advantages of the functional format, it is rarely adopted by the industry. Can you think about the reason? Then ask me. Then comment me. Chief Programmer Team. Here we can see that diagrammatic representation of Chief Programmer Team. Chief Programmer Team. A senior member provides the technical leadership and is designated as the chief programmer. The chief programmer defines the specification and constructs the high-level design. He then partitions the remaining tasks such as detailed design, coding, testing, and documentation into many smaller tasks and assigns that to the team members. He also verifies and integrates the work completed by different team members. Democratic team. Here you can see that diagrammatic representation of democratic team. Democratic team. Democratic team structure does not enforce any formal team hierarchy. Decisions are taken on the basis of discussions where any member is free to discuss with any other member. A manager provides the administrative leadership. Different members of the team provide technical leadership at different times. A lot of debate and discussions take place among team members. A significant overhead is experienced for large teams.